Elizabeth, but you can call me Libby. And today I have my Stitch Fix. It's a clothing subscription service. You can schedule your time frames you want them, or you can just order them on demand. And last year I got a style pass, and so I paid a certain amount of money and I get unlimited fixes. And the process is you fill out a questionnaire and what you like and don't like and your size and your style and some feedback, and then they give you a stylist who curates pieces based on what you want. So when you get your Stitch Fix, it comes with, I don't want to look at the prices. This is the price sheet. It has suggestions for styling things. So I'm going to fold this back here. I don't think this is my Stitch Fix. This is not. It is addressed to someone named Megan by a guy named Mike. I don't think this is me. Okay, so I am back. It was mine, but the paperwork was somebody else's. So I am looking at, you get a little note, like you get to request sort of what you want, what you're looking for, what you need. And this is from Maya. She's been my stylist for a while now. And she said, "Hi Elizabeth, I hope you're doing well and looking forward to today's fix. I noticed your thoughtful selection of 5 pieces from the Fix preview." You do get a preview and you get to select pieces if you like them, and then they'll fill in the rest as a surprise. "Tell me more about what drew you to these pieces. For a fall New York City look, pair the Market and Spruce sweater with a pink clover coat again and a pair of jeans and booties. Take your time trying them on and be sure to share any feedback you have on fit, style, or what you'd like to see next time. Your insights are crucial in helping us refine your future selections. I'm already looking forward to our next fix together. If you have any specific preferences or needs, especially with the new season upon us, feel free to let me know. I'll be on the lookout for items that align with your preferences. Enjoy exploring your new pieces, and thank you for entrusting us with your style journey. Best, Maya." So I had to undo things to get to the tag so we could know if this was actually my fix. So it usually comes in a nice little bundle. It also comes with a poly mailer, so if there's something you don't like, you can send it back. But up first, this is Pink Clover. This is a Haley double pocket coat again in gray. So I'm going, we didn't do a family vacation this summer, so we're going this month to a weekend trip to New York City. So layers, I'm not sure how cold it is. I'm sure it's breezy, and so that's what I asked for. So it is a gray coat again. It's nice and heavy. It feels a good weight. It does have big pockets at the bottom and tan buttons and a little bit of a really soft collar. So that's kind of cute. That might be a nice versatile piece for traveling. And then gray. This is Market and Spruce Joey Henley Cozy Brushed Knit Top. It says it's in taupe, but this is really a gray shirt. It's super soft though. It's really, really soft. Oh, it's like a baby's blanket. It's got a little bit of the ribbed at the bottom and a little bit of the ribbed cuff. This is definitely not taupe. This is a gray, but that's kind of cute at the top with the little button split. That might work, right? I can wear a scarf or something around my neck if it's really windy. Sorry, paper crunching. Here's a cute version of the fix. Okay, dark gray. So I don't know what I was doing here. So this is Market and Spruce. It's the Aspen Aspen cropped blouson sleeve sweater in dark gray. So this one comes up kind of high on the neck. I'm not sure about that, but it does have a little bit of a blouson sleeve with ribbing, and it doesn't look too cropped. So that might work as just a plain gray sweater. We'll see how high it comes up around my neck. I don't like that choking tight, no turtlenecks here. Hey, guess what? It's not gray. It's green. You want to know about this material? This is Market and Spruce Savannah ribbed balloon sleeve open cardigan in dark green. So it's a cardigan. Let's see. Here's the sleeve with the little ribbed cuff. It's a little bit longer length. It's got the big pockets. It's nice. It's a very neutral color. I know the green's hard to show up. The lighting's not great in here either, but it's just sort of like a washed out a little bit kind of green. But I don't have a green cardigan, and as my daughter would say, you know, I have the English teacher wardrobe, which is apparently cardigans. Whatever. And then not gray again, well, black and white, which, excuse me, makes gray. This is Love Ellie. It's the Aitana crew-necked chenille pullover in gray. But this looks more of a cream and a black. I kind of like this. It's very kind of thick, but doesn't feel like it would be like sweaty thick. It's got that for the sleeve. It's just a round neckline, and I love sweaters. I love this time of year. I love zippies and jeans and boots and hats. So these are all tops. I have enough jeans. I got a handful of jeans last year, and so I don't feel like I need new jeans. I can just wear the jeans that I have, but I wanted something that I wasn't, you know, sweating my butt off in New York City, but I still looked a little bit pulled together. I didn't look kind of schlubby. So I am going to try on all of these wonderful tops. I'm just going to leave my jeans on that I have on now, and let's go from there. Okay, so this is the coat again. I thought this undershirt would work, and it's too short, but let's go with it. So this is really nice. It's kind of just a topper. The sleeve length is great. Sometimes I feel like the sleeves get a little short. The length of it is good. So yeah, this feels really nice. It is a very light gray. It's not meant to be closed. There's no even buttonholes. So this works as exactly what it is a coat again. Do I need it? I don't know. I would have to kind of figure out what to wear underneath it, but I think I have enough room in here that even on really cold days I could wear sort of a lighter weight sweater underneath. So this one is good, I think. All right, so that is, we're off to a good start on my box addressed to somebody else. So I'm gonna try on the Henley now. I don't know, I'll grab one. All right. So this is sort of the more traditional type of cardigan, I would say. It's the balloon, although the sleeves don't really look like they balloon out that much. A little bit down here, but not from the shoulder. It is very stretchy, so that's good, I think. Although stretchy tends to get stuck. I have like a little bit of a shelf booty, and sometimes the stretchy gets stuck up on the shelf. So here's the length. Okay. It's a regular cardigan length, right? me show you the color. It's, yeah, I mean, it's sort of a little bit more green than this, than it's showing up, but it's just kind of ribbed and straight. Sorry. It's good. It's nothing, I don't think, to write home about. It's nice to have a bunch of different cardigans, just for, you know, the fall and winter, but I don't know, we'll see, right? I've got a couple more sweaters I'm going to try on, and I'm excited about those. Just a second. So here is the Henley. I really like the top of it. I'm not sure about the bottom. I thought maybe, well, I could do the tuck, right? It gives me a little bit of room to kind of tuck it in. The sleeves, it's super, super soft. The material feels wonderful. Here's the back. It is so cozy. It feels very lightweight. Here's the kind of offset buttons. There's not a whole big delineation between the sleeve and the cuff, which is kind of nice. This material is fantastic. Ooh, this is one of those, like, if it was in red or royal purple, it would be a stunner. But basics, right? I could put a jacket on over this. The gray goes with everything. It is like a little bit of a hug. It's like legging material, those fleecy kind of leggings, but on a softer scale. So this is kind of cute. I think I'm digging this, and I might actually go on and see if I can find it in another color, because I like the style of it. I feel relaxed and casual, but I also feel like I don't look frumpy. So what do you think about this one? All right, let's try another gray sweater. So here's another sweater. This one is also very comfortable. It says cropped, but it's really kind of not that cropped, which is nice. So there's it tucked in. The neck is not bothersome. It's very soft on the neck. Here's the back. Okay, it's like a darker gray. It's got the ribbed all the way up. It doesn't have the drop shoulders, which I like. It's just regular shoulders. And there's the neckline. I like this one too. This is great for running around. It's a neutral, but you know, can throw a colored jacket on or put a colored accessory, wear a colored hat, whatever. I like this one too. Now, gray, 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 and gray might be problematic, but you know, this is definitely a contender. I don't feel like it's too bulky. I feel good. I also don't feel like I'll be sweating too badly in this. The other one, the legging material is a little more fleecy, and what I thought was going to be lightweight was a little bit thicker. This feels a little more breezy. But let me try the last sweater on. It says gray, but the black and white one, and let's see if that one works. So this is the last sweater. It's comfortable again. It's cozy. This is definitely a bit longer than the other ones. I don't think this is one that I could get away with. Well, maybe. I don't know. What do you think? Could I get away with tucking that in? Is it too bulky? It is black and white. Yeah, I don't really see gray in here. It's just got kind of a nice little bit of a relaxed neckline. Here's the back. Here is what it looks like. So they're relaxed here with the ribbing. It is just kind of a comfortable, a little bit bigger, kind of not oversized, but less fitted. Excuse me. So this is comfortable and great as well. These are all very neutral, wearable for a long time. Sweaters and cardigans and what's it? Not a shacket. I don't know, a coat, jacket, maybe jacket. What did they call it? I can't remember. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to take a picture of the document because they had to email it to me because I got a Michelle Girls document. So I'll take a picture of the document and then we will come back together and talk about prices. So let's see, fingers crossed. Maybe I can keep them all. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I have my list. It's really hard to see though. So let's talk prices. This one is the Love Ellie Aitana crewneck chenille pullover. This one is $46, which really in retail is not that bad for, you know, that's a good one. Piper, there's one in here that looks like it's up your alley.
Oh, that's cute.
You want to try it on? No. Okay. All right. I tried, right, audience? I tried.
It's just the buttons are kind of...
Okay.
I like the color though.
It's a very Piper friendly gray fix. This one is Market and Spruce Joey Henley Cozy Brush Knit Top. This one is $42, which is not bad for retail. Okay. All right. Another gray one. Piper.
That was cute.
This one is Market and Spruce Aspen Cropped Blouson Sleeve Sweater in dark gray. This one is $46. Ooh, okay. Those are good. All right, the green. This is the one thing that's not like the other. This one is the Market and Spruce Savannah Ribbed Balloon Sleeve Open Cardigan in dark green. This one is $54. Oh, hey. For a cardigan, you're going to pay that at, you know, retail stores. Maybe not the Target, but this one is Pink Clover. Haley double pocket. Oh, Codigan. Not a, what did I call it? Cacket. I was close. This is, oh, is that 58? Hold on. It's 58. That is not bad. I thought that was going to be 70 bucks. Okay, wow. That's all of them. So let's see. If the subtotal is $246 for all 5 pieces. They do if you buy all 5, you get a 25% discount, which is $61.50, making it $184.50 and free shipping. So a little bit of tax added in, so let's say $190 for 5 sweaters. I don't know if this has a calculator on there. I just use this to watch YouTube videos. Oh, it does. What did I say? 190? Like this is one of those that is really, really, really old. 190 divided by 5. So on average, it's $38 for each piece of that. That is really a great price. All right, I might have to make some decisions here. Let me know what you think. Are they all too similar? I mean, 4 out of 5 are gray. There are various shades of gray, but they're gray. And then the green one is, you know, sort of the more traditional English teacher cardigan. So let me know what you think. And if you like any of them, if you have been to New York City or you know anything about New York City or what people wear in New York City, are any of those, will they work? You know, comfortable walking shoes, sweater, and something else with me. All right, so thanks for joining me, and I will talk to you soon.